These ingredients combine to make a delicious Greek salad. You could also add chickpeas for protein if you choose. Cucumbers are one of the top 5 foods for bone health. The reason being that the skin contains silica. So buy organic cucumbers and be sure not to peel them. Combine all of your ingredients. And mix well. Be sure to taste and adjust your seasonings. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to receive more great gluten-free recipes each week.